Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, February 9th. Hope you guys are doing well and that you had a wonderful week. Things are good here. I am almost 100% after being sick, just a little lingering cough and congestion, but I feel much better. So thank you to everybody who's asked about me. I really appreciate it. And I did a little bit of shopping. I thought I'd have more to show you. I have a Temu order. Actually, I have 2 Temu orders outstanding. So probably next week, at least for one of those. But I have a small haul from scrapbook.com, a couple other random things. And then at the end, I'm going to share a little video of my Valentine's Day decor in my house because Valentine's Day is next week. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. And yeah, so let's get on with the haul. So from scrapbook.com, they had some really great freebies and there were a couple of things I wanted to get. So I decided to pick them up and yeah, they got me with the freebies. So this was one of them. These are Woodwear dies, and I like Woodwear stamps a lot. I don't know if I have any of their dies, but these are, this is a set of 3 tags. So it's called the Tag Trio Craft Die, and then the largest is 6 1/4 by 9 1/4. It must be centimeters because that's not inches. But yeah, so it comes with 3 cute little tags that have the holes that cut out, and I thought that would be nice to add to my tag collection. And then the other freebie I got was a 6x6 of the Doodlebug Snow Much Fun, which is a new collection from Doodlebug. So this is the sampler. So this has cardstock and petite print sampler. So I guess maybe this is like a scrapbook.com exclusive. I'm not sure if this is like a standard item in that collection, but let's take a look and we'll see what's in here. So it's really nice cardstock and the colors are so cute. I thought I would be doing more winter crafting after Christmas, but you know, besides Valentine's Day, I'm really looking forward to spring. So I don't know if I'm going to be using this year or, you know, at the beginning of this year, maybe towards the end when it gets to more Christmas time. But this is really cute. I love the blues and purples and the greens, and it's just like a really pretty like cornflower blue. So that's one page with that pretty polka dot on the back. Here's the next one with the strips and has that pretty plaid on the back. I love Doodlebug plaids. They're so nice. Here's some purple polka dots and the snowflakes on the back. And this is a very light gray background with white snowflakes. And look at those cute snowmen. So cute. And I'm wearing the nails that I showed you that I got from Temu. And they're back in stock. So I ordered another set of these, by the way. So anyway, there's this one with the like mint green snowflakes on the mint green background. And okay, so these are like cut aparts. I guess it's from a 12 by 12. So you could use 2 of those, I guess, and maybe those sentiments. And then some polka dots there with all the different colors. Again, weirdly cut aparts. And some pretty houses with the purple background. Cute snowflakes. Here's some trees and like a gradient from green to purple, purpley blue. Really pretty saturated purple there. Some diagonal stripes. More weird cut aparts. These pretty snowflakes. That's interesting, huh? The way the colors vary on each one. And that pretty plaid and these cute snow friends. There's a yeti and a polar bear and penguins and stuff. And then that pretty snowflake background, more strange cut aparts or tags. And then a green plaid with a wood grain, green stripe. This is where you're getting into the petite prints. Yeah, I love these. These will be great to have. So all the different designs and patterns, and these will go really nicely with the printed images. So yeah, I like that a lot. What a great freebie besides the weird cut aparts. So yeah, very nice. Can't complain for sure. So Snow Much Fun, that's all I have from that collection actually. So there's that. And then the things that I actually ordered, this was in stock, so I grabbed this. This is the Pink Lemonade Shimmer cardstock, and this is 10 sheets from Paper Rose. These are A5 size. So like I was mentioning before, I don't have much pink shimmer paper left. And this is a really pretty pink. See how that shimmers? So it's double-sided shimmer paper, I think always is, right? So it's nice and thick, great for your shimmer paper needs. And then I picked up this die. This is from Waffle Flower, and it's the Postage Collage A6 die. And I got this, I was watching Jenny a few weeks ago, who is Crafty Hilo Girl here on YouTube. Hi Jenny, if you're watching. She was showing some happy mail she got from her sister, who is a really talented artist. And she used, I think it was this die. There's also like another configuration, like a slimline one of the Postage Collage that Waffle Flower does. But anyway, I think it was this one. And so it's super cute. It comes with a magnetic sheet, which I thought was nice. Maybe Waffle Flower always does that. I don't know. So it has a magnetic sheet, oops, and then it comes with these little accessory dies. They're like little frames of circles and triangles and squares and, you know, various shapes. But the main die cuts out a piece of paper that looks like a sheet of stamps. And there are stencils you can get to go with it, stamps, and I should have gotten a stamp that has postage marks on it. I think I probably have that. I just have to look through my stash. But you can use this to make stamp-looking, you know, images, or just use it to make like different scenes. So that's what I was thinking of doing. Let me just show you what I started on. I cut this out of my white 65-pound paper that I always get at Walmart. And so it cut out this pretty white background. And then I paper pieced some squares from Arala shop from Etsy onto 3 of the squares. And I just measured how big the little inside piece was and just cut my pieces to that. And then for these that have ink on them, I just masked them off with some like a mint tape, and then just added some ink from an ink pad onto those, and then peeled the tape off so you know it didn't get onto the white frame. So I'm going to add, I think what I'm going to do for this, not make it like a stamp looking one, but maybe add some like a lawn fawn cute little images onto each scene. Like I have those sewing lawn fawn stamps and dies, so I thought that would be really cute on a project like this. And then, you know, you can make it into a card, which I probably will do. They say on the Waffle Flower website that you could easily just cut these apart and just have separate, you know, stamped images or stamped pieces. So, or not stamped, but pieces that look like postage stamps. So anyway, I got that. Thank you, Jenny, for the inspiration for that. Your sister, oh, she's such a good artist. My goodness. So that's all I got from scrapbook.com. I went to Michael's twice since my last haul. I just got 2 kinds of glue. The first time I got more of my Beacon 3-in-1 glue. The one that I had was really running low, and I couldn't get the top open anymore, so I just got a new one. And this one I had a 20% off coupon for. And then the next time I got some Fabri-Tac, and I had a 30% off your regular price purchase coupon. So I got that, and that's all I got from Michael's. And then I wanted to show you quick this cute little plate I got from the Target Dollar Spot. I went to Target this morning, and they were just starting to put out their Easter stuff in the Bullseye's Playground. So I got this. I love this little egg plate, or you can, you know, put like chocolates in it or something at Easter time, or just spring. I mean, it's got a bunny and flowers, so it's not necessarily Easter. And this was $5, the novelty serving plate, and it's melamine. So yeah, deviled eggs, or even when you're coloring eggs, you could put your finished eggs in here, I think, or just, you know, like I said, like candies or chips and dip, whatever. So we do entertain for Easter, so I thought I would pick that up. And let's see. Okay, so that's all I have to show you this week for the haul. Like I had mentioned before, I do have spring decor stuff, but it's kind of big, so I'm going to have to do a different kind of video for that. This one I could just squeeze in. And I do want to show you my Valentine's Day decor, so you know, we'll leave the spring stuff till next time. I wanted to update you. I did my glue press that was squeaky. It's not squeaky anymore. My husband just put some WD-40 in there and it doesn't squeak anymore. So thank you to everybody who told me that yours does not squeak. So I knew that mine had a problem. But I am loving this. This is so great. I hope if it's not back in stock yet on scrapbook.com and other sites, it comes back, and all of you who want it can get it, because it's just made my gluing life much easier and just, not frustrating and annoying. So that is it. I'm going to have more Scrap Diva Designs videos coming up. I've been working on those projects. The spring release or the February release is so much fun and really cute projects, I think. So stay tuned for that. And okay, so now we are going to have the my little video for Valentine decor. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And so stay tuned for that decor coming right up. Okay, so here's the counter above my sink, and I have a couple of gingerbread decorations, and that's a tier tray from Target with Valentine's donuts that are ceramic, of course, cupcakes and cashmere. Here's my kitchen table. I have a wooden tray with those Hobby Lobby yarn hearts, some wooden hearts from Target years ago, and a pretty little pink teapot and a table topper I made. Here's my hutch that I show every season, and it's fully decorated for Valentine's Day. So just a little top to bottom overview. Here's the side of it, and I have this basket filled with flowers. That's a Hobby Lobby Valentine cupcake sign. I don't know why I put that pillow there. It's not supposed to be there. But then those are hearts that I made on the scale, and also below that I made last year. Moving up to the top of the hutch, there's that cherry heart banner I got at Target this year. And all like the dishes are from Ray Dunn that I've had for a long time. The cupcakes I've had for a while. The red dishes are from Temptations from QVC. There's my Christmas gingerbread canister, but I filled it with hearts, so I think it looks Christmas or Valentine-y. Just lots of decorations I've had for years past. I love that coffee sign in the background. That's from Michael's from a couple of years ago. So moving over to this side, another Christmas canister that I filled with marshmallow hearts, so I think it looks Valentine-y. That honey pot's from Target this year. More Valentine dishes. The trucks and cookie tin are from Dollar Tree last year or the year before. And then there's a little cloche with hearts from Hobby Lobby. And then I didn't fill those Dollar Tree heart bottles for some reason. I don't know why. And there's a quilt that I've made, I made in years past, that I always hang on the door at Valentine's Day because I like the cherries and colors for this holiday. My mantle, I didn't do too much. There are those new candles I got this year, some birds from Target I've had for a while, and those hearts light up from QVC. And those black lanterns always light up too, so it looks nice at night. Here's a shelf in between my kitchen and family room with those cute houses from Hobby Lobby this year, Valentine trees. The banner is from Target from a while ago, and that sign is from Aldi. Here's my dining room, just my little candle cabinet top that has like my jadeite pieces, and I just put a little Valentine decoration there, that little XOXO sign from Dollar General that I had last year, but I think they have it this year too. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend. Take care. Bye.